What are my people? Kiss and meet me for the first time. I go by the name MC Ban, so they call me the son of comedy. Is real talkative, online Zaddy, and I'm here with
my delicious baby one.
We are here live on Entertainment Criminal. Here with the carry matter with inside matter with the apple for your environment area anywhere with the carry and come. So ladies and gentlemen, the matter will carry come now about one of our actress, Yoruba Nollywood actress. We don't know maybe she the joke or she really mean am. She don't the talk because after Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi anything, that is the Ooni of Ife. We say he don't marry new Olori, new queen. This oil and gas big madam. Which she don't marry. So now the matter don't cast. Now on Tuesday, everybody they come to see picture where she kneel down. They officially welcome her to the palace. They welcome her to the palace where she kneel down when the Ooni of Ife they pray for her. So now for Instagram, now this our actress just enter say Emilokan. Say now she be the next because a lot of people, I don't know why, people love to be in the royal family. I don't know why girls like royal family. We say we no be say we no want come from royal family, but at least when they calm down. So now this one they react. This our actress Bimpe Akintunde. We say she first pray for the woman. So the next thing we should go talk. And I say make Olori enter quick. Make quick enter this new Olori. So she they enter quick. Make she welcome her as the Olori Adeyeye to the palace the next day because she say Emilokan. All of us we know the real meaning of the Emilokan. We know the originator, the founder of the Emilokan. So now the real meaning of Emilokan. Now this woman now we don't know maybe she dey serious or she dey joke because the matter now will be say I won't talk. I never see any other person will be say she go post marry come post and people will never say I want to go to the ball like a royal family. Once they post like this, people want to go there. Girls want to be married to royal family. I don't know why it be like that.
Now waiting me I want first ask me say maybe the man don't first they don't meet she and the man where she don't the public the maternal say Emilokan doesn't she's the next. The man they don't get relationship before. Abi
it doesn't matter. This Mariam too, like a year ago, she and the king they don't even get any relationship. So things will happen. They don't say a royal family as a king Oba you are entitled to marry as many.
Nobody say making no marry, but when woman don't they cry out say now she won't be the next.
Now what is she want? You know, like women now, once you're rich, say you are rich like this, once you don't marry, be like this Panet Nwoku, where what's it be this girl? Regina Daniel with Mariam. This man has how many wives? Like maybe 6 wives. And Regina went there to be the 7th wife. Because if not me get 6 wives, Regina no fit come meet me say
even if you get one self.
If I even get one self, she no fit come say she won't be say I want to be your second. No. But once you have this money, ego, you understand? Ego, money. If you owe where
money stop nonsense.
Money stop nonsense.
Can you imagine?
I mean when you owe money, no be say you owe person money. When you owe money, you understand. Money answers everything.
It speak for you.
It speak for you. And this Adeyeye.
I tell you last time say when money jam money. You see say now when money don't jam money now.
They forget money jam money.
They don't they say she won't.
All this girl really go dey run, we go there. If you have body, all the girl we go dey run follow you. They go. I don't understand what say you go who girl, you go like that girl, baby I like you. The first way she go dey ask, do you have a car? You say no. Do you have a house? No. But I'm planning to. I will tell you, you don't have a future.
So you be planning to? You want to like a girl?
How come?
Wait, if you now need to go at night, you go begin the stand for bus stop.
Uber no dey.
I don't understand.
I don't understand. Wetin dey take those mama na trek o.
That was those days.
Forget those days. Wetin do those days? Wetin do now? Wetin do those days? Wetin do now? Wetin.
Make I just say.
Make I just say wetin.
Whether na jokingly you take talk am abi you dey serious for wetin you talk, but then say na when if say smoke then they come outside without fire. So either you make just the joke
by just the joke
just
something might happen.
something to not happen.
But nobody will not like better thing now.
Make
at least
our the king look into this matter. When you look and well and make him
even if Ooni see me and he say okay I like you, I'm going. I'll do short time.
So now we see the wait because more news they come from this Ooni of Ife.
So ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the
Bimpe
Oba Adeyeye Eniton. Happy marriage life. So we are expecting a baby very soon. What can chop price? You don't take away person chop price for big naming ceremony.
Anything
we go eat.
Still on Ooni of Ife matter.
We dey go party where they no invite us. Oh shop. We dey go like say now we dey do something. Now we go dey food. Oh God. So ladies and gentlemen, mo know it's our time. Mo dey do actually tell me for no cost correct. Just like, share, watch, share. Subscribe. Subscription to our channel is totally free. They don't come money for your account. They don't come money for your phone. Just subscribe. Stay tuned. Mo dey do actually tell me for no cost correct. Stay tuned. We'll see you on Entertainment Crib.
Thank you.